Want to spread the cost of gift cards with Afterpay? You're in the right place. The immediate answer is it's not straightforward with every retailer, as direct gift card purchases might be restricted by Afterpay merchants. However, there are smart workarounds to achieve your goal. Many large retailers that accept Afterpay do allow you to purchase gift cards directly from their own websites. Think of major players like Target, Amazon, or Walmart if they sell their own brand gift cards, and you can add it to your cart alongside other items. Afterpay may be an option. Here's how you typically do it. First, navigate to the website of a retailer you know accepts Afterpay. Search for their gift card section. Often, these are physical or digital gift cards that can be used in-store or online at that specific retailer. Add the desired gift card to your shopping cart. If the retailer allows Afterpay for gift card purchases, you'll see Afterpay as a payment option at checkout. Select it, and you'll be prompted to pay in 4 installments. Now, what about those platforms that sell a wide variety of gift cards to different stores? This is where it gets trickier. Many third-party gift card websites or apps don't typically support Afterpay directly due to their business models. The key is to remember that Afterpay's integration is retailer-specific. They partner with individual stores to offer their payment plans. So, if a third-party platform isn't a direct Afterpay merchant, you won't be able to use Afterpay for their gift card purchases. This method is fantastic for managing your budget, especially if you want to give gift cards without a large upfront expense. By using Afterpay for gift cards from eligible retailers, you can break down the cost and make gifting more manageable. So, while you might not be able to buy any gift card, any brand, anywhere with Afterpay, focusing on direct purchases from major retailers who accept Afterpay is your best bet for spreading out those gift card costs. Happy and smart gifting!